Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Tala FSC set of 3 beech spatulas. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this clear plastic packet are 3 wooden beechwood spatulas. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet by tearing it open. Let's do it from the top and sliding the wooden spatula set out and just setting the packet to the side and giving you a look at the 3 wooden spatulas. So just setting them on the tabletop so you have a clear and full view of this wooden spatula set before I start handling it and giving you a closer up look. Okay, so let's take a close-up look at all 3 of them together first and then individually. So you can see there's a slotted spatula, a standard spatula and a rounded one, and they measure 30 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide and half a centimeter thick. And they're made out of FSC certified beechwood. So giving you a close-up look at the 3 together. So slotted, standard and rounded, and giving you a look at their handles as well. So you can see that they do have a rather flat design, measuring half a centimeter thick. Okay, let's take a look at each one up close. So starting with the standard spatula, so I'm just going to set the other 2 to the side, setting them on the right hand side of the table as we focus on this spatula right here. So you can see that it does have a very light pale beige color, and just giving you a close-up look as to the design elements and of course texture of the wood and the tip of the spatula as well. So right there, giving you those close-up details. Of the spatula, you can see that on the reverse or underside it is completely flat. And of course the handle as well. And to give you some sense of the material, which is FSC certified beechwood, making it sustainable. Just tapping on the spatula itself to give you some sense of the material. And in terms of grip. And of course to give you some sense of the size, as always, resting it in my palm, once again measuring 30 centimeters long, 6 centimeters wide and half a centimeter thick. Okay, let's move on to the next spatula. Let's move on to the slotted one. Okay, so this is the slotted spatula. As you can see, there are 4 sharp oval slots in its blade. And once again, this time around, giving you a look at the frontal tip. And of course the thickness as well, measuring half a centimeter thick or 5 millimeters, and giving you a look at the handle as well. So right there, gripping and holding on to the slotted spatula. And now moving right along to the final or last spatula of this three-piece wooden spatula set from Tala is the rounded spatula. So you can see that the blade has a rounded off design. So giving you those close-up details. And once again, you can see this texture has a slight porous nature or characteristic. So very light in weight, being made from beech wood. And of course the handle as well, giving you a full view right here of the 30 centimeter long spatula, and this is the rounded spatula. So that's the Tala FSC set of 3 beech spatulas. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!